Number 4 says that the area of a playground is 336 yards. So the first thing you want to do, it says draw a picture because it does help. So your playground is here. The area of this is 336. Then it says the width of the playground is 5 more than the length. So if we call the length x, the width is x plus 5. How do you find an area of any figure, of a rectangle? Length times width. So length times width. So we are doing x times x plus 5 equals 336. Now we have to distribute, so you're going to distribute that x. X times x is x squared. X times 5 is 5x, is equal to 336. At this point, since we have an x squared and an x, I know the only thing I can do is use quadratic equation. So I'm going to be able to use a quadratic equation, this must be set equal to 0. So what do I have to do to this minus 336 from both sides? So I get x squared plus 5x minus 336 is equal to 0. Now, at this point, I can use the quadratic. Remember, a is always the number in front of that, so it's a equals 1, b is 5, and c is negative 336. Quadratic states negative b, so negative 5, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so 5 squared, minus 4a, which is your 1, and c is negative 336, all over 2a, so all over 2 times 1, which is 2. So in your calculator, what I would do is first of all find out what this is. So 5 squared minus 4 times my negative 336. So did you all get 1,369?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
So negative 5 plus or minus the square root 1,369 all over 2. So in your calculators, what you're going to do is you're going to go negative 5 plus the square root of this divided by 2, and then negative 5 minus this divided by 2. We have, the first one gave you 16. The second number that it gave you was negative 21. Can you ever have a negative length? No. So we know that one's not it. So we have 16. If our length is 16, what is our width? So it's 16, and we add 5 to it by 21. So we have a 16 by 21 playground. All right. Questions on 4? All right, number 5, sorry, number 5. Actually, number 5 is just like 4. All right.